grand finale we've all been waiting for.
And a crowd of young boys stood fooling around in the corner.
Then I remember I mamas of flowers from a name in the sand.
Nangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, kaya't bigyan mo ng buwan ang puso mong nalulumbay.
Ikaw siyang lahat sa buhay ko, kahit kailanman ay ikaw lang ang iibigin ko.
Say you're not, 'cause we can't help but let it show.
Will win the Voice Grand Finale.